Pat here with Frankie and the Drifters. You know winter's going to be here really quick. So this year, instead of doing some more rush repair work on that thing, I think we're going to rebuild this motor here. It's a 65 289. Came out of that 61 Ranchero parts car that we bought. Check that out in the previous video if you want. I'm not really sure if we're going to stroke it out, if we're going to keep it stock, or what we're going to do with it yet. I haven't really decided. Now we'll take a closer look at it here. We just started tearing it apart here a couple days ago. It is a stock bore. It's a 4-inch bore, so that hasn't been touched. The head gasket looks like it was leaking right there. This motor's been sitting since 1984, I think. I think that's what it was. I will definitely keep you updated on what we end up doing with it. A couple of the pistons here, the rings are seized right to them. There's a camshaft. I'm thinking that's junk. There's a rod bearing from cylinder number 7. It's got a nice deep groove in it. Junk. Yeah, I'm not so sure that cylinder can be saved.